So look what just arrived. A bunch of Action 2 accessories from Telesin. Some of them look really cool too, so let's go through and see if they're worth it or not. And also, it's Thursday, so let's not waste any more time. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way, so don't be a stranger. Also, if you can reach it, you can hit that button right there. That would be awesome. Thank you so much. Links to all of these products will be listed down in the description, also known as the More Info space. Also, I will include a coupon code where you can save some money, and as always, a surprise link. All right, it's 30-second Thursday, and we're gonna give each of these products its own 30 seconds. So let's start.
Ready? Go!
The first one is this magnetic dual interface base. Basically, it's like a magnetic base, like the one that comes with it. However, this one has two key amazing features. It has an action mount, but also has a screw thread to attach to any tripod or selfie pole. And I love these because the dual mount system really has you covered just in case you brought the wrong accessory. But it also has a USB charge port, so you can use the camera module with its limited battery. Then you add something like this that you can plug into a wall or power bank, and you just give it a lot more battery. This thing is really awesome, highly recommended, and it only comes in under $30, plus the coupon code. Next one. This is a magnetic charging head Type-C charging cable. And I mean, that kind of looks boring, but it's actually pretty cool. It's a nice way to charge up your Action camera module, and it also sits nicely on your desk. But there's also a Type-C cable so you can charge other things at the same time. It's actually a really nice way to keep everything organized, and it only comes in under $15. All right, we're doing great on time here. Next one. This is a metal frame cage combo, which will fit both your camera module and power or front screen module. It's really strong and also has the dual mount system at the bottom for action mounts or screw thread mounts. It's really easy to put the combo in and really secure. It has extra screw threads on the side for accessories and mounting, and also two cold shoe mounts for a light and a mic. It also includes another action mount, so you can put this one on there and you can mount it on its side. And this whole system comes in under $30. This one's quite simple. It's a plastic magnet mount. And yes, you already have one of these, but I actually think it's nice to have a few of them. That way, if you're doing something active and you want to quickly change your shot, you can just pop it off one and then pop it on the other. To be honest, I think that something like this is a must-have accessory. And these things are priced out very low, and you can check out the link in the description. Next one! All right, maybe you don't want the metal case. You can have this plastic one. You pop the Action 2 combo right in, and you have two cold shoes for those accessories, microphone, light, whatever. And you also have access to all the buttons and ports. It's a great way to keep that extra power and storage space, but in the security of this cage. So if you're doing something with a lot of action, you don't want to worry about it like popping off, this is gonna do it for you. All right, next one. All right, this one is their magnetic filter pack. Made really well, and they just magnetically pop on the front. You have a polarizer lens, ND8, ND16, and ND32. Great for action shots to show real motion on your videos or pictures. And it also just makes your outdoor footage look awesome. If you don't know a lot about ND filters, I'll put a link up here where you can check it out and kind of learn a little bit more about it, because I think the Action 2 really benefits from neutral intensity filters. And for a 4-pack of these filters, it comes in under $45 plus my coupon code, so you actually get quite the bang for the buck there. Next one, this is a nice little plastic travel case for your Action 2. It also has nice foam padding inside where you can put your Action 2 and the other modules and some accessories. And one thing I was always worried about with the modular system is that when you're traveling, it might be easy to lose one of these. And something like this is really nice because you'll have everything together in a safe and secure place. And shockingly, this comes in under $13. So something as simple as this could save you from losing something very important like this.
Number 8.
All right, the next one, and this is a good one, is a waterproof case set. It is nice and sealed and made really well. Now, just so you know, this camera module is waterproof, but you're only limited to a short battery life and built-in storage. But the power module is not waterproof because the SD card and the USB-C port is exposed. So having this waterproof case, you can use the combo and get that extra storage and extended battery life for those underwater adventures. Highly recommended, and this thing only comes in under $19. Yeah, that's nice. All right, next one. This is a lens protector film set. Ultra clear, scratch and smudge resistant, easy to remove without residue, bubble free and dust free. It comes with a few pieces for the lens and the screen. Super easy to put on, and although it is scratch resistant, if you go too far and really scratch it, well, you could just take the protector off and hey, look, it's protected the lens. And it only comes in under $10. Might be worth the investment. And for the last accessory on this list, it's a lot like the last product we just looked at, but this one is tempered glass screen protector. It comes with wet and dry wipes, dust absorber stickers, and a few tempered glasses for the camera and the screen. They are super easy to install, and although the last one worked great, I actually prefer this one, and it doesn't interfere at all with the touch screen, and it's just nice to have that extra protection just in case, you know, you have it in your pocket and it scratches up against your keys, or maybe you're doing something with action and you run it into a tree or something like that. It's just nice to have that extra layer of protection, especially because I don't even know the process of having to get that fixed if you do break it. But that's all 10, and actually I find all of them very useful, and a lot of these kind of make me like the Action 2 a little bit more. And there's a chance I'll be giving some of these away on an upcoming Tuesday giveaway. So to enter, just leave a comment and actually let me know which one you like the best. Obviously looking for people that own the DJI ACTION 2. It'd be kind of pointless if you didn't. Enter the comment down below, tell me which accessory you like the best, and then tune in on Tuesdays. But there we go, time's officially up. That was a fun and long 30-second Thursday. So thank you so much for watching. I have a lot of other cool products to review and fun videos to make, and I'll see you next time.